we've been sitting here, and we're hearing a turkey. We got a hen. She just came over there. I can't see her yet, but she's very close, and she's been doing her little flirting with a gobbler, and he's down in there. We're just sitting here being really quiet, and you can hear him. You can hear her doing her clucking, and he's doing his gobbling. Dang, that's awesome. I can shoot one of them, so if one of them comes in, I'm gonna take one home for Thanksgiving. Oh guys, we had a coyote on us this morning, but now it's about getting around round 3, and we've just been sitting here, and all of a sudden we have a turkey gobbling not too far from us, so. Yeah, all morning long, early this morning, we had them gobbling at us, and we had a hen doing her thing, and now it's like, okay, now he's gobbling, he's looking for that hen. So we're still sitting here, and the coyote kind of spoke some things up, but on the way in, I lost one of my scent bombs, so I had to come looking for it. Went back to the car around noon, got something to eat, and then came back out. And hopefully by tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, I gotta go sign some papers and head back out here. So I want to say happy birthday, Marines. We're sitting in the woods, looking for deer. Looking for deer. Yep, they're gobbling again. It sounds like they're going down. It sounds like they're going down that other trail. He's on the other side. He's in that over holler. Man, that coyote must have spooked him out of here. Dadgummit. Good morning or afternoon whenever you watch these videos. We're in my office today. You can see I got my laptop. Basically, we're making, I've started a vinyl business. We're selling cups. It says, they glow in the dark. These are Jesus cups. We are asking $15 for these. We are making these. We're selling these right now. They glow in the dark. We have different size. I have another size I'm making, but we just got done making this one. So this will be $15, and they glow in the dark. And guys, they don't leak. The straw doesn't come out. They don't leak. These things are very, very cool.